Hello, English learners. Welcome to the English Time YT, where learning English is easy and fun. I am Lily.
And I am Alex. Today is day 4 of our 7-day English speaking challenge.
And today, I am going to share just 2 simple things that will help you talk about yesterday in English forever.
Just 2. And once you know them, you can talk about any yesterday, any day in natural English.
And remember, we give you the key sentences on screen so you can follow along and practice. Stay with us. Let's begin day 4. Okay, before we start, let me show you something really simple. When we talk about yesterday, most action words just add ed at the end. That is it. So, walk becomes walked. Cook becomes cooked. Watch becomes watched. Clean becomes cleaned. Just add ed and you are already talking about yesterday. Now listen to me and Alex and notice how we use these words in our real conversation.
So, Lily, how was your yesterday?
Oh, it was really nice actually. I woke up early and walked to the park.
You walked to the park. Oh, that sounds lovely.
It was. The weather was so beautiful. I walked for about 30 minutes.
30 minutes. That is great. Did you do anything after?
Yes, I came back home and cooked a big breakfast.
You cooked breakfast. What did you make?
I cooked eggs, toast, and made a fresh cup of tea.
That sounds amazing, Lily. I just grabbed a biscuit yesterday morning.
Oh, Alex, that is not a proper breakfast.
I know. Okay, what did you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I cleaned the house. And then I watched a movie in the evening.
You cleaned and watched a movie. That sounds like a perfect day.
It really was. I finished the whole movie and loved it.
You finished the whole movie. What was it about?
Oh, it was a comedy. I laughed so much.
You laughed. I love that. A good comedy is always a great idea.
Did you notice something in that conversation? Every time I talked about yesterday, the action word had ed at the end. Let me say the key sentences again, slowly, just for you. I walked to the park yesterday morning. I walked to the park yesterday morning. Now your version. What did you do yesterday morning? Yesterday morning. And sentence number 2. I cooked a big breakfast and watched a movie. I cooked a big breakfast and watched a movie. Now your version. What did you cook or watch yesterday?
Walked, cooked, watched, cleaned, finished, laughed. You are doing so well. Keep going.
Yes, Alex. Okay, now the second thing. Some words do not add ed. They change completely. But do not worry. There are only a few of them, and they are ones you use every single day. Listen carefully. Go becomes went. Eat becomes ate. Have becomes had. Wake up becomes woke up. Meet becomes met. Feel becomes felt. Just 5, and they will cover most of what you want to say about yesterday. Now listen to me and Alex again, and notice how we use them.
Lily, what did you do in the evening yesterday?
I went to meet a friend. We had dinner together at a nice restaurant.
You went to meet a friend, and you had dinner together. That sounds wonderful.
It was. We ate pasta, and the food was absolutely delicious.
You ate pasta. Oh, I love pasta. How did you feel after such a lovely evening?
I felt so happy and relaxed. It was exactly what I needed.
You felt happy. I love that, Lily. Those evenings with good friends are the best.
They really are. What about you, Alex? What did you do yesterday evening?
Well, I woke up late yesterday, so my whole day was a little rushed.
You woke up late. Oh no, what happened?
I forgot to set my alarm, so I had a very quick breakfast and went straight to work.
You had a quick breakfast and went straight to work. That sounds stressful.
It was. but in the evening, I met my neighbor and we had a long chat.
You met your neighbor. Oh, that is lovely. Did you feel better after that?
I felt so much better. A good chat always fixes everything.
It really does. 2 more beautiful sentences. Sentence number 3. I went to meet a friend and we had dinner together. I went to meet a friend and we had dinner together. Now your version. Yesterday I went to and we had. And sentence number 4. I felt so happy and relaxed after such a lovely evening. I felt so happy and relaxed after such a lovely evening. Now your version. How did you feel yesterday evening?
4 sentences now, and you are already talking about yesterday in real natural English. Walked, cooked, watched, went, had, ate, felt, met. These are the words that will carry you through any conversation about your past. I am so proud of you. Day 4, almost done.
Now it is your turn. I am going to ask you questions about your yesterday. Listen to the question, think of your answer, and say it out loud. Ready? Here we go. Question 1. What time did you wake up yesterday? Question 2. What did you eat for breakfast yesterday? Question 3. Where did you go yesterday? Question 4. Who did you meet or talk to yesterday? Question 5. How did you feel at the end of yesterday? Brilliant! You just described your whole yesterday in English. Now write in the comments. Tell us one thing you did yesterday. Just one sentence. We want to read every single one. And if this helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the English Time.
And stay with us, because Day 5 is coming tomorrow.
In Day 5, you will learn how to talk about your future plans in English.
What are you doing this weekend? What are your plans for tomorrow? We will teach you exactly how to say it, naturally and confidently.
Stay consistent. Every day you are getting better. See you tomorrow on Day 5. Goodbye, English learners.